In a world where customization knows no bounds, Toyota's latest creation, the Landc Roomy, stands as a bizarre yet oddly charming mashup that blends rugged off-roader aesthetics with the practicality of a pint-sized minivan. Created by the Japanese tuning company ESB Style, this unique vehicle is based on the Toyota Roomy, a small, boxy minivan already beloved for its compact size and versatility. However, ESB Style has taken things to the next level by transforming it into a vehicle that looks like it's ready to tackle the apocalypse, while still being practical enough for a weekend family trip. At first glance, the Landc Roomy seems like an unlikely candidate for rugged modification. The Toyota Roomy is a compact minivan, designed for urban commutes, grocery runs, and family getaways. But leave it to the creative minds at ESB Style to give this unassuming minivan the appearance of a Land Cruiser, one of Toyota's most legendary off-road vehicles. The Landc Roomy is essentially a Roomy with the aggressive, toughened-up front end of the Land Cruiser Series 300, complete with a grille extension and bulging bumper intakes. The result? A small van with the front end of a beastly off-roader. The transformation doesn't stop at the front. ESB Style has given the Landc Roomy a sporty rear bumper with a body-colored diffuser that adds a touch of sportiness to the rear end. Of course, no off-road-inspired vehicle is complete without some added functionality. To enhance its rugged appeal, the Landc Roomy is equipped with a set of white steel wheels, wrapped in Toyo Open Country R/T tires, which provide better grip and off-road capability. Furthermore, the minivan has been lifted by 30 mm thanks to a new suspension kit, which provides extra ground clearance for tackling rougher terrains, especially when paired with the 4WD version that's available from the factory. Despite its new rugged look, the Landc Roomy doesn't stray too far from its original DNA. Under the hood, the vehicle still sports one of two 1.0-liter three-cylinder gasoline engines, the turbocharged version producing a modest 97 horsepower. So while the minivan now has the appearance of an off-road warrior, it's still powered by an engine that's perfect for city driving but less suited for heavy off-roading adventures. Inside, ESB Style has added a few quirky touches to make the Landc Roomy even more appealing to adventurous souls. One of the standout features is a foldable fox mat, which converts the interior into a makeshift camper. The mat provides a bed for impromptu overnight stays, though at just 3,725 mm in length, the Roomy isn't exactly a spacious camper. But if you're looking for a compact, functional solution for road trips or weekend getaways, the Landc Roomy fits the bill. For those who aren't familiar with the Toyota Roomy, it's a rebadged version of the Daihatsu Thor, also sold as the Subaru Justy in some markets. Thankfully, ESB Style's conversion kit is compatible with all three models, including older versions that have been updated with the 2020 facelift grille introduced for the Roomy. The Landc Roomy will officially debut at the Tokyo Auto Salon 2025, but for those eager to get their hands on one now, the individual parts for the conversion are already available to order in Japan. The pricing for the full kit, which includes the front bumper, rear bumper, suspension lift kit, white steel wheels, and foldable mattress, comes to a total of 295,000 yen before taxes. If you're itching to transform your Toyota Roomy into a quirky off-road inspired minivan, this may be just the project you've been waiting for. In conclusion, the Landc Roomy may not be the most practical off-roading vehicle on the market, but it's undeniably fun, quirky, and a unique twist on the typical minivan. By merging rugged aesthetics with compact practicality, ESB Style has created something that captures the spirit of adventure without going over the top. If you're a fan of strange, fun modifications and want a vehicle that stands out from the crowd, the Landc Roomy is a concept worth considering.